But when shit goes down and this happens, that's the dudes that you want
Oh yeah.
next to you taking
Day
care of
day
business.
I mean, day one, the Friday afternoon after the storm had passed and cleared and the water was still high and there were trees every direction that you could go. There was no getting to town outside of the fact that these folks with a lot of tenacity and can-do spirit that aren't going to sit idly on their hands and wait for somebody to save them are out there making it happen
Yeah.
and clearing the trees off of the road and rebuilding parts of the road even for people to get to town to get supplies to get there were whole roads that were washed completely away. There's nothing but bare culverts where once there were bridges and you know accesses to these people's homes. They're gone, and so these guys are. Well, my brother down the road's got a backhoe. Let's get down here and start moving some earth so that these people can get out.
Yeah.
We're not going to wait around for somebody else to help us.